So good morning students, welcome to online physics class. The last class we have to discuss about like some numericals based on that mass defect and binding energy. So now and also we discussed about some alpha beta reactions also. So now let me talk about the next numerical. The obtain the first write down, don't write down, just listen. Obtain the amount of 27 cobalt 60 necessary to provide a radioactive source of 8 millicurie strength. The half-life of 27 cobalt 60 is 5.3 years. Clear? So obtain the amount of 27 cobalt 60 necessary to provide a radioactive, that is 8 millicurie strength, and also they are given half life T half na kottidare. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, one is the we calculated activity and also lambda. Listen, these are the given things. Radioactive element is 8 millicurie and T off is equals to 5.3 years. 5.3 years. So listen, 8 into milli means 10 to the power of minus 3. Curie, what is the 1 Curie value? 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 into the 10 to the power of 10. This is the value of 1 Curie. So radioactive is 8 millicurie. So 8 means 8 milli is the 10 to the power of minus 3. Curie value is 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10. So next simplify that. That is 2.96 into 10 to the power of 8 becquerel. 8 becquerel. So what is the becquerel means? It is the SI unit of radioactivity. SI unit of radioactivity. And here 5.3 years. 5.3 years we convert the seconds. 5.3 into years 365 days into 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. Finally we get 1.67 into 10 to the power of 8 seconds into 10 to the power of 8 seconds. So that is the T off. You know the half life. Half life means the parent atoms reduced by half of its initial value. Half of its initial value. That is T off is equals to 0.693 by lambda. So we know that T off. So where lambda is equals to 0.693 divided by T off. So that is equals to 0.693 divided by T off means 1.672 into 10 to the power of 8. So ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? That is 0.693 divided by 1.67. So that equals to 0.4149 into 10 to the power of minus 8. 8. 8 So ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ 10 to the power of plus 8 ಇದೆ numerator ಆದಾಗ 10 to the power of minus 8 we write it like this 4.149 into 10 to the power of minus 9 per second. So this is the value of lambda. Next, you know the activity. Here we calculated activity. Where activity is equals to R equals lambda n. R is equals to lambda n. So where n equals R by lambda, we know the value of R. So what is the value of radioactive substance? That is 2.96 into 10 to the power of 8. What is the value of lambda? That is 4.149 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So finally we got that is 7.141 into 10 to the power of 16 atoms. 16 atoms present. 16 atoms present in cobalt 27, cobalt 16. So this much of atoms present in that. Okay. So next we have to calculate according to Avogadro principle. So that is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of 60 cobalt in 60 grams. That is, so how many atoms present? 7.141 into 10 to the power of 16 atoms. To calculate the mass, that is 7.141 into 10 to the power of 16 into 60 grams of cobalt divided by Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Simplify that. So that is mass equals 7.114 into 10 to the power of minus 6 grams. This is the answer for this numerical. So first obtain the amount of 27 cobalt necessary to provide a radioactive source, 8 millicurie, strength of the half-life of, that is 5.3 years anta kelidare. So first we have to calculate activity. So first convert the radioactive substance in 8 millicurie. Milli means 10 to the power of minus 3. What is the value of curie? Means 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10. So based on that formula we calculated the lambda value. Again activity is equals to R is equals to lambda into n. So next we have to calculate number of atoms present in 60 grams of cobalt. That is, we got 7.141 into 10 to the power of 16 atoms. Next we have to calculate the mass. So based on the Avogadro principle, we calculated the mass of the substance. Clear? So this is the answer for this numerical. Next numerical, just listen. The half-life of 38 shortium 90 is 28 years. What is the disintegration rate? What is the disintegration rate of 50 milligram of this isotope? 15 milligram of this isotope. 2. So that is disintegration is nothing but activity. So here just listen. T of is equals to 28 years. 28 years. So that is we convert seconds 28 into 365 into 24 into 60 into 60. So that is 8.83 into 10 to the power of 8 seconds. Next, mass are given 15 milligrams. We convert the kgs means, that is 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 kg, or we write it like this, 15 into 10 to the power of minus 6 kg. This is the mass. Next, disintegration rate. Already I told you disintegration is nothing but that is activity, R. You know the formula for activity? Activity, that is R is equals to lambda n. So where lambda is equals to 0.693 divided by T of 0.693 divided by T of means 8.83 into 10 to the power of 8 seconds. Simplify that. 0.693 divided by 8.83, that is equals to 0.07848 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into 10 to the power of minus 8. We write it like this: 7.84 8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 per second. That is the lambda value. Next, so 90 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg of sortium 90 contains how many atoms? Contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So we write it like this: number of atoms present in that 90 grams, that is 15 into 10 to the power of 6. Already they are given mass, that is 15 milligram ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು kg ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 15 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by what is the mass of sortium, that is 90 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So simplify that: 15 into 6.023 divided by 90, that is 1.0038 into 10 to the power of 23 minus 6, that is 17. 17 plus 17, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆದಾಗ minus 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 17 plus 3, 10 to the power of 20 atoms present in 90 grams of sortium. This much of atoms present in that 90 grams. Next, activity. So final again find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು activity or disintegration, that is activity activity. The formula for R is equals to lambda into N. So we know the value of lambda and N also. So next substitute that lambda value is, what is the lambda value? 7.84 into 10 to the power of minus 10 into atoms present in 1.0038 into 10 to the power of 20 atoms. So that is, so where R is equals to 7.878 into 10 to the power of 10 becquerel. So this is the disintegration or activity of the isotope. So this is the answer for this numerical, the final answer. So first ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, obtain disintegration, the half life of calcium, what is the disintegration rate ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ given items ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ T of ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, again mass of the calcium 15 milligram, then we have to find the lambda value, again number of present in 90 grams of calcium. So based on that lambda and number of n value, we calculate the disintegration or activity. So that is formula is R is equals to lambda into n. So finally we got the 7.878 into 10 to the power of 10 becquerel. This is the answer for this numerical. Next numerical, the half life of, you don't worry, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು PDF ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. The half life of radioactive element is 4 into 10 to the power of 8 years. 4 into 10 to the power of 8 years. Calculate its decay constant. Calculate its decay constant and mean life. You know the formula of half life and mean life formulas. Here what we calculated means decay constant lambda and again mean life tau na calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Given T of is equals to 4 into 10 to the power of 8 years. Calculate lambda is question mark and tau equals mean life is question mark. So you know the half life of radioactive substance. Half life of radioactive substance or isotope. So T of equals 0.693 divided by lambda. So now we find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. So decay constant where lambda is equals to 0.693 divided by T of. So 0.693 divided by T of, already they are given 4 into 10 to the power of 8 years. Simplify that. 0.693 divided by 4. That is 0.1732 into 10 to the power of minus 8. So we write it like this, lambda is equals to 1.732 into 10 to the power of minus 9 minus 9 per year. Minus 9 per year. This is the decay constant. Next, mean life. So mean life is equals to, what is the formula for mean life? Tau is equals to 1 over lambda. 1 over lambda. We know the lambda value. Substitute that 1 divided by lambda is 1.732 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So that is 1 over 1.732. That is equals to 0.577 into 10 to the power of plus 9, or we write it like this, 5.77 into 10 to the power of 8 years. That is the mean life. That is the value of mean life. This is the answer for this email. Next question. Next question. Calculate the half-life. Calculate the half-life and mean life of radium 226 of activity 1 curie given the mass of radium 226 is 1 gram and 226 gram of radium consists of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So here find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, calculate mean life and half life. So already given radium isotope ಬಂದು radium 226, already they are given mass is 1 gram and radioactivity is 1 curie. So first we have to calculate the number of atoms present in 226 grams of radium, and then we have to calculate lambda, then we have to calculate the half life and mean life values. Given 1 gram, mass is 1 gram and radioactivity is 1 curie, that is 1 curie is nothing but 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 disintegration per second or becquerel. So next, Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Next, number of atoms present in 1 gram of radium. 1 gram of radium. So already I have given number of it's a 226 gram of radium consists 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms present. Okay. The same way already given mass of the radium is 1 gram. So how many atoms present in 1 gram of radium means when n is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 226. So that is equals to 0.2665 into 10 to the power of 23. We write it like this: 2.66 into 10 to the power of 21 atoms. 21 atoms. Simplify that. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 226. We get 0.02665 into 10 to the power of 23. We write it like this: 2.666 into 10 to the power of 21 atoms present in 1 gram of radium. Clear? Next, activity of radium. Activity is equals to R equals lambda into N. So lambda into N, where lambda is equals to R by N. Here R is the radioactivity, lambda is the decay constant, and N is the number of atoms present in. Already they are given radioactivity is 1 curie. 1 curie is nothing but 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 into 10 to the power of 10. Number of atoms present is 2.66 into 10 to the power of 21 atoms. So simplify that: 3.7 divided by 2.66, that is 1 point, that is equals to 1.3909 into 10 to the power of. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 to the power ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ 21 ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆದಾಗ, so that is equals to minus 21 10 minus 11. So we write it like this: 139.09 into 10 to the power of minus 13 per second. This is the lambda value. So we know the lambda value and number of atoms present in the 1 gram of radium. So then we have to calculate the half life. Main thing ಏನು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, half life and mean life. So you know the formula for half life: T half is equals to 0.693 divided by lambda. You know the value of lambda, and mean life is 1 over lambda. So then we have to calculate half life. Half life T off is equals to 0.693 divided by lambda. So that is equals to 0.693 divided by lambda means, what is the value of lambda? 139.09 into 10 to the power of minus 13. So that is equals to 0.693 divided by 139.09 equals, where T off equals 0.004 498 into 10 to the power of 13, that is approximately equals to 5 into 10 to the power of 16 seconds. So 4.949 is approximately equals to 5. So then mean life is equals to tau equals 1 over lambda. So 1 over lambda is equals to 1 by 139.09 into 10 to the power of 13 minus 13. So that equals 1 over 139.09. So that equals 0.00718 into 10 to the power of 13. So we write it like this: tau equals 7.18 into 10 to the power of 10 seconds. This is the answer for this numerical. So half life we got 5 into 10 to the power of 16 seconds, and mean life 7.18 into 10 to the power of 8 seconds. Next numerical. Obtain approximately the ratio of the nuclear radii of the gold isotope 79Au197 and the silver isotope 47Ag107. You know the relation between radius and nucleus, that is R is equals to R naught a to the power of 1 by 3. So here we obtained approximately